Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solutions. In the previous video we have discussed about database diagrams, and in this video we will discuss how to generate the script of your complete database and how to transfer this script to another user, so that's why that user can also execute your database with the store procedures and existing data in your table. Okay, so if you right click, this is our database. If you right click on this database, you can simply go to task and then go to generate scripts. Okay, so this is the wizard. You can click on next and this will fetch the database information. Look at this script, entire database and all the database objects. If you wanna select the specific object, you can simply click on this one and you can execute scripts for these tables. You can only execute the script for some tables, but I wanna generate the script for the whole database with the existing data, so I will select entire database and all database object. Click on next, and over here I will click on this one advanced option and I will set up some options. So these are options you can look up this, or you can use as by default. The important option is over here, script for SQL Server variant, for which variant you wanna create your script. So if you create a script from SQL Server 2017 and for you wanna create script for SQL Server 2012 or 2008, this script will not be executed. You should click on this one and you should set the appropriate variant of the SQL Server. So I wanna execute this SQL script for 2007. Okay, so next important option over here is this types of data to script. Click on this one, and if you select data only, the queries for storing data will be generated. If you select on schema, only the schema of this database and store procedures will be created. But if you select on this one schema and data, then the existing data will also be transferred in this script. Click on OK, and you can save this one to anywhere in your desired direct output. I wanna click on this one, save to new query window. Okay, so click on next and then click on next. Generating the list of objects from SQL tutorial database. Okay, we will go through out this SQL statement. First, make sure we don't need these specific values. You should copy this SQL tutorial from here and paste it over here. Remove this one. Okay, so first of all we will create this database, then we will use this database. And if you look at this, this is the first table, create table departments, and it is creating departments table for us. And next it is creating table for employees copy, and next it is creating table for employees, then for organization, then for products, then for sales items, then for suppliers. And if you look at this, after creating all of table, first of all it will create database, then it will create all of your tables, and if you have store procedures it will create your store procedures, and after that it will execute these insert statements. We have software development, web development, graphic designing as the stored record in our table, and it will also generate the insert statement for all of our tables. Look at this, we have insert into departments table, insert into employees copy, insert into employees, then insert into organization, and for sure we have insert into products and insert into sales item. Okay, and it will also create indexed for we have create custom index in our tutorials for improving the performance of our search operation for web and software applications. So it will also create that indexed on your required columns. Then it will also add constraints, foreign key constraint for your table, and also it will set as read write operations for this database. So this is the SQL statement. You can copy this statement, or you can simply save this statement with you can say let me save this one into IT First Solutions and SQL Server, and I will write SQL data tutorial database script. Okay, click on this one, save, and you can transfer this by using email or any means. You can transfer this one to anyone, so that guy can execute this statement, and all of my data, tables and store procedures and diagrams will be transferred to you can say the server of that user. So this is very useful technique. Rather than copying data base from C drive, this is very simple to generate this script, and it is of very small size and easily can be transferred through email or internet to the desired user. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment on the below comment section of this video and share with your friends and on your social media accounts, so those guys can also learn these SQL concepts. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.